constant sorrow. I don't sing. That's why. I like this song. I have been trying to play this on guitar for a long time. And if you actually have the album, Oh Brother, Where Art Thou? There's 3 versions on there. There's a fiddle version, there's the main version, which you hear everywhere, and then there's a guitar version of just a single acoustic guitar. And that guitar version is basically the one I do, because to get all those banjo-y sounds of the main one, it's kind of hard to do that on guitar. Mind you, I did see somebody do it, and I mean to learn that way, but I haven't gotten to it yet. But Merlin is, what do they say, it's a cross between a mandolin and a banjo in sound. So it kind of works. That new pick I'm using didn't work. I'll go back to my old pick for this. There's a way I was kind of getting some good banjo-y sounds that I tried to do in here when I did the intro here. But we'll go into that a little bit later. Oh yeah. So, that first part, the intro part, is basically the guitar version that I kind of just stole a little bit to do an intro on this. Which is funny, because on a normal version you get the banjo, and then the guitar comes in, and by this version we're starting with the guitar version and then going into the banjo-y sound. Kind of doing it the opposite way. Oh well. So that I'm just kind of borrowing that from the guitar version. It's just to do an intro on here, because we want something that's not the same as what you're playing throughout the song, right? Kinda something there, right? Alright. Kinda not hitting those notes right. It works. So you're doing on your second string, slide up from 3 to 4. And then, so it's on your 3rd fret, pull off on your 2nd, and your on your 2nd string, middle string, and then your low string. So it's a pull off, and then a bend, pull off. No, it's not a pull off, it's just a bend and then a hit. Second time to do that run up. But then you do a pull off, slide up to the A. And then it's G, A, D. And then I've been adding that the B add 7 just as like a off note. It kind of sounds good when you're doing it fast. You don't have to though. And then it's a fast rundown. So that's the intro, and then the song starts with the turnaround in constant sorrow all through his days, right? So to do that, I'm we'll come back to that. Let's go through the song first, because that's part of the song. So, the song. Like I said before, when you guys are playing anything, if you're not a singer, or if you're not singing at a time, still hum it in your head. When you hum it in your head, it works. It makes everything sound okay. You only know where you need to go. Same for the intro. See, I didn't do that up note there. See, it works either way. But when you're humming it, it lets you know where you need to be, is what I'm saying. Okay, so the song. We're on your 5th. So 4 to 5 slide up on your high string. Then you work your way back down, 4-3. And a pull off, hammer pull on your 3rd. And then you go into your A, which we're doing open 2-4. And then a work down into your B, which we're doing 2 open 5, and then work back down. So 5-4-3. So you can cheat. You can do the D up here, but to get that walk down, it's kind of hard. You guys can figure it out. If you guys want to play that note instead of that note, then maybe you could just do the whole walk down. Let's do it the other way now. Yeah, that kind of works. So that B part where we come up to the B, so we're from the A. That's also how you come into the song after the intro. So it's... That's also your turnaround. So you do this twice. So let's pretend we just did that twice. Then your turnaround is you just repeat that B part. And that's also what you put in between the intro and your first verse. That's a turnaround. So let's just kind of put that all together. And then from there, it just repeats a bunch of times, probably 3 times. And that's the song. You throw that intro in there, or do something along those lines for some solo of some sort, if you want. And also, if you're singing this, and you're not doing a melody line, if you're just singing it while you go through, then when you come to the solo part, you can do that melody part there. It works, right? But if you're playing the melody through, then you're gonna want to change something up, right? Just to do the intro again, or something to do a break, right? Okay, now as I was saying, in the intro I was using the other pick and I couldn't get what that sound I was getting when I was playing this before. So basically, I'm doing upstrokes to try and get more banjo-y sound. Upstrokes as downstrokes too, but I'm really hitting on that bottom string, right? I'm putting more pressure when I hit that string. Not quite the same as a banjo, but pretty something different. I was gonna say pretty good, but it depends on what you think is good. Something different, right? So that's it. Man of constant sorrow all through his days. I'm hyper. I shouldn't be doing videos. Alright, that's it. That's all I got. So I did 4. I'll probably release 1 tonight, which won't matter because you guys won't see this one till it's the last one. So why am I even saying anything? Practice, patience, have fun. We'll see you guys next time.